Okay, crew. As you know, if you follow the channel, I ordered this stuff quite some time ago, waiting for the day to arrive to get this stuff put on. So this is our S&S fuel pump. That's going to replace the CP4 that's in the truck. And this is our pusher intake manifold. Okay guys, this is the day I've been waiting for. We're heading out to Detroit, or I'm heading out to Detroit. Get some work done on the old truck here. Pretty excited about it. Okay guys, so I just did my midway. Well, I'm over midway, but I did my one and only rest stop for the day. I went 140 miles, and it looks like I have 105 to go. Yes, I see the Holiday Inn Express. So that's where I'm going. Good morning, crew. I'm leaving my hotel and heading to the well, first I'm going to find me a place to get me a big old coffee. They had coffee here at the hotel, but it was not my speed. Okay guys, I got me some good gas station coffee now. They even let me fill up my oil filter mug here, so. Okay, we made it. Well, guess where I'm at? Been here about 2 minutes and he's got half the top end tore off this thing already. So say hey, Rod.
What's up, everybody? Happy okay, we're going in. That's that timing mark. That's why we had to be at 12 o'clock, so it's supposed to go in just like that. Yeah.
Getting closer every minute, aren't you?
Nothing but the best for you, Clark. Fix you up real nice. Get you something real nice. Okay, green.
Okay, I had old boy on the clock here, and I said I had you on the clock here, and he just informed me that DCR is totally installed now.
DCR is installed, fuel